How much would you just sell me all these books for?
Oh my god, for real?
Yeah. If
oh my god, I would totally do it. You make me an offer on that.
And I called up on his line when I was 7 or 8, and I said I want a puff, and he let me have a puff. I was sick for 3 days. So I think I just said, I have a phobia against throwing up. So I was like,
ultra slim and it's empty. Turning point.
okay. If it just that, you go hold on to her.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's cute.
No, it's on the left.
Yeah, that any child's little book, what the Jesus book, that's so.
You know, what do you think of this? What do you think of this? Oh, brand new glasses. Some are broken though.
Where are they from?
Looks like Walmart.
Yeah. You won't get missed them. Because see how when you close it, it's bent?
That one's broken.
Mm,
But they're not all broken. Like this is fine.
On eBay?
Fila. And brand new. I mean, if you got 10 bucks a pair, $5 a pair, more likely. I guess it depends on the price of the bag, right? If the bag is $5 bucks.
I was gonna say, make me an offer, and if you don't like her, like,
I'm gonna say $5 because a lot of them are broken.
yeah.
And then, you know, it'll be fine. This is cool. Made in Hong Kong. Look at this. This is one of those old comb, pocket combs.
Is it in there?
Yeah, that's cool.
Woo! Don't cut me. Oh, it's a comb.
I think so. Yeah,
That's fun.
that's cool. XS. Jurassic World right there. Yeah. Thou shalt not try me. Mom 24/7. Nice. Hold on. Show the camera. Nice. One pint salt crop.
$1. Is that okay, sir?
$10 a piece. Okay.
I'm sorry, did you want something?
No, I was just looking at these, trying to figure out what they were.
Oh, yeah.
Very weird. Oops. Let me just throw it on the
I think
ground.
it went on babies.
Ah, yeah. Cute. She'll eat it though. Radio controlled pet containment system. What?
That was my step. Can you guess by just looking at it?
Your woman?
Yeah.
Look at that's a much better bingo.
I know, did you look through it?
No.
Yeah.
What is this? That's cool. Joel? It's interesting. Tina, what's Joel? Is it like for someone named Joel?
A whole 50 cents.
What does that mean? Is that like a word or it's just like a guy named Joel?
I don't know. I think it's Christmas something. Joel.
Maybe it's another language.
Spanish.
Interesting.
It might be another for Noel.
That's pretty cool.
No, you're asking the wrong one. I'm just saying.
Okay.
Yeah. And they already paid you.
What?
Santa and these books.
Okay.
This picture and this stand.
Okay. Would $5 for all that be okay?
I was thinking, well, we're getting this stuff too.
Oh,
Would you just do like 30? Would
Oh, wow.
that be
Yes,
fine?
that's amazing.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You got 30?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. 10, 20, 40. I don't have.
Miss Queenie.
Thank you.
Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you,
That
Bert.
was a deal. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Thank you very,
Yeah.
very much.
No problem. Do you 40 or 30?
Give her. Alright,
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
We'll be watching.
Where did this come from? Them. They just paid. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you.
Everything that's down there on the curb is free.
Okay.
See something down there? Still working on kind of sorting through some stuff, but
Gotcha.
moving, so it needs to go. So whatever you want.
Yeah.
My
Make-
girls will color.
Good. And they're slightly used, obviously, but I just couldn't bear to just throw them away.
Yeah, look at all that. Puzzles, Tina. Is that puzzle? Yeah, that's puzzles. Yeah.
You got a camera on there?
Mm-hmm. My GoPro. I like the GoPro. Have you guys had a lot of traffic?
A lot.
Yeah.
A lot. A lot of stuff is gone already, but there's still more.
Yeah. There's always more.
Moving and
Where are you headed?
just on the other side of the neighborhood.
Oh, really?
The downsize.
Okay.
This is not all fitting, so it needs to go. If you see something, please. I mean, honestly, we can make any kind of a deal.
Jigsaw Jones.
Yeah,
Very big puzzle family, huh?
very big.
Even puzzle books.
That's the teacher side of me.
Yeah. The Bailey School Kids. I haven't heard of these ones.
Really?
You know, I was more like Goosebumps. You know,
Oh.
a little older books.
Well, I'm still a teacher, so these are what the kids are reading now.
The Bobbsey Twins.
Bobbsey Twins was when I was.
That's the older one, yeah.
It has. It has, but when we moved into the new home, it didn't fit on the faucet.
Oh, gotcha.
How much is your little CD player?
Make a pile and let's just put it all together.
Okay.
Take it off. How about that?
Okay.
I can't sit and work on it. You know, when you have kids.
Yeah.
And then they need everything. And then you gotta eat at the table.
You came back. I do, right there in the middle. And on your left. See them all? Big ones?
Alright. How much would you just sell me all these books for?
Oh my god, for real?
Yeah. If
Oh my
I
god, I would totally do it. You make me an offer on that.
I don't know. I'm pretty cheap, 20 bucks.
I'm thinking 25. That's for all of them?
Yeah.
25 for all of them?
Like even the ones in your stack too?
Yeah, the whole set.
I just sold a whole box for $20 before.
One box.
Can the 40 include those little Discmen?
The Discman?
Yeah. So 40 for the Discman and the books?
Sure,
Yeah.
Okay, and then
my God, all
pay
the
separate for the rest of that
Yep.
stuff. So how much is the Leapster?
So if you look at it, it's not just the My First Sleep pen. I have packed it.
Okay.
I mean, and it's got a lot of stuff. And then it'll
Oh,
show
cool.
my
Oh yeah, it's got games.
It's
and...
got the games, all the cartridges. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think there's eight sets.
Mm-hmm.
I might get the fucking shit.
I mean, I just want something fair because I know it's a lot of money.
Mm-hmm.
And what do you think is fair?
You're selling it. You got to say it.
No.
I'm here.
That actually happens a lot. The kid comes in and names the price.
40.
40 for that too. Okay. Maybe on that. I don't know. How much are the puzzles?
$1 a piece. 50
like
cents a
$2.
piece. I know.
So 45
yeah.
basically is where we're at minus that. All right, let's do that first and I'll think on that while I load a million books into my car.
Let's pack
20, 40. Puzzle? No, there's puzzle books.
Puzzle books.
That look pretty cool.
Thank you.
45. What is this? Premium leather gear system. Did you guys ever use this leather cleaner? Huh?
Probably not. Nope.
How much is that?
Forgot about it for a long time. Maybe, I don't know.
$5?
Sure.
Yeah. I've decided it's easier to just yell out a price and see if you go for it.
Absolutely right.
That's what she's gonna go for it.
Yeah.
You're absolutely, and that's what I'm saying. Like, what $1 this, $1. I just need it to go. I'd rather it go to you, and you. Thank you. And you be able to use it.
Yeah.
than
No, I
for
get
me
you.
to sit here and take it to Goodwill, and then
Yep.
somebody else has to pay more for it.
Yeah, that's true.
So
Goodwill is charging a lot nowadays.
yeah.
Kind of crazy.
And I'd rather have. That's what I said to her before.
Yeah.
I was like, I'd rather spend, sell it for $1 somewhere here and there.
Yeah.
I said, because $1 is more than I'll get at Goodwill.
That is very true.
Get it at Goodwill. So.
Whew, mixed bag today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that footage. That first sale was super windy. That was a friend of my wife. She was doing a sale for a missions trip she was doing. So we went there, and she said basically everyone was just grabbing whatever they want and not paying much, which she was fine with because it was all donated anyways. But you could tell that people had been lowballing her pretty hard all day, because when we said 30 for our pile, which I thought was like kind of a low offer but not super low, she got super excited because it was like one of her best offers of the day, she told Tina later in the day. So I'm glad we were able to do that and help support it. A lot of the stuff wasn't in great condition. We went there at like 1 in the afternoon, so pretty much everything was picked through. I got a bunch of broken sunglasses from Walmart clearance that had like $2 stickers on them. We'll see if they're worth anything. I got some weird little utensils that I was just curious about, so I bought them. I haven't even looked them up yet. And then I got some little salt crocks that are worth like $8 a piece. Those brass geese might sell for $10 for the pair. I mean, nothing huge dollar, just a bunch of smalls to help support the cause. And, we had fun and they were very excited, but it was very windy, so I'm sorry about that. And then in the next sale, I just turned on my crazy brain. I don't know why. I was like, here, I'll tell you what happened, okay? They have all these books. And I was like, man, if I could lot these together in series, like, oh, hey, here's the Bobbsey twins 10 books or whatever, and list that series for $20, and then list this other Magic School Bus series for $20. That's what my brain was. But then I get them home, and now I've got like 8 boxes of books that I don't have anywhere to put because I'm already overloaded in here. I wish I hadn't bought them, but The way I kind of did the negotiation, I think, was pretty good, because they said $40 for all the books, and I said, well, throw in those 2 Discmen, because I knew the Discmen were worth like 25 to 30 a piece. I figured if they throw those in, then that kind of pays for all the books. So even if I never sold the books, you know, at least I would have gotten them kind of for free, because I will sell the Discmen. There are a couple books I'm going to pull out and give to my kids for Christmas or for their birthdays or something, because there's some like really nice condition books that they will like, I think. But yeah, I don't know. Sometimes if I don't find a lot in a day, I just like have a strong urge to buy a big giant lot of something. I might be a shopaholic. I might need to seek shopaholic counseling if there's such a thing. Anyways, we had fun, guys, and I got some great deals. As far as how much profit I'll make, we'll see. We'll see. It was fun. It's not always about the profit. Sometimes it's about just getting out there, having a good time, and, you know, whatever. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe, hit the like button. We'll see you next time.